Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Have you ever wondered why I'm always so happy? Why I'm laughing and dancing around the workshop? Maybe it's all the hot cocoa, or maybe it's those delicious Christmas cookies Mrs. Claus makes.
That is not the reason. Santa, tell them why you are always so happy.
The truth is, my happiness comes from something much bigger, something anyone can have. My secret is giving. When you give a gift, a smile, a helping hand, it fills your heart with more joy than any present ever could. So, if you want to feel a little more Christmas cheer this year, just give. Even the smallest kindness can make someone's day and fill yours with joy. Give a little joy and watch it grow. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.